Hello guys and welcome to my another unboxing review video, and today in this video I'll be unboxing this gaming keyboard. This is a gaming keyboard by Genius. It's Scorpion K9 version. You can get this keyboard on Amazon for £25. So it's not the most expensive keyboard, and by the way it's not a mechanical one as well. So like always, all links are in the description, and I guess that's it. Let's start unboxing it. So as you can see, the packaging looks very nice. So it seems like this keyboard got some extra features like multimedia keys on top, so that's great. So let's see how it looks like. Alright, so here we go, the keyboard itself. So it's not something like special in the box. You're gonna find only keyboard itself and like some manuals. So that's it, basically that's all you're gonna find in the packaging. Actually this one looks kinda the previous version K5, but this one feels a little bit better. So since this is not a mechanical gaming keyboard, the sound of typing is very quiet, which is not surprising. Alright, in the packaging there's not much. The keyboard itself, as you can see, and some manuals. We got some multimedia keys on top. Alright, the keyboard is on, and as you can see it looks nice. It looks very nice. I really like this 7 colors backlighting. It looks really great. Oh, by the way, let's see how it looks like in the dark. So as you can see, it looks really nice, just like I said. So this one you can control the brightness, so the most intense one, and you can turn it off completely. So the thing which I like the most about this keyboard is the feeling of typing. It feels really awesome, and this keyboard is very quiet since obviously it's a regular gaming keyboard. So I guess that's it guys, thanks for watching my video, hopefully it was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye guys.